morning, Wayne Enterprises. Rizka speaking. How may I assist you?
Good morning, this is Anga from Oscorp Industries. May I speak with Mr. Lucius Fox, the marketing manager, please?
Alright, Mr. Anga, would you mind waiting, please? I check whether Mr. Fox is available.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting, Mr. Anga. Unfortunately, Mr. Fox is still on leave. Would you like to leave a message or call him back later?
I'd leave him a message. Please inform him that I would like to arrange an appointment to discuss the partnership between Wayne Enterprises and Oscorp Industries. When will he be available?
Wait a moment, please. I check Mr. Fox's schedule.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting, Mr. Anga. Mr. Fox is free on Wednesday at 3 p.m.
Alright, I'll see him then.
May I have your number phone, please?
Of course, it's 0821 222 33434.
Alright, let me confirm your message. You would like to arrange an appointment with Mr. Fox to discuss the partnership between Wayne Enterprises and Oscorp Industries on Wednesday at 3 p.m. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Alright, Mr. Anga, I deliver your message when Mr. Fox is back to work. Is there anything else I could help you?
No, I think that's all. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Thank you for calling.